us into here?
Take the next left onto Pine Cove Beach Club, and you will arrive at your destination.
It's right here.
What have you got us into?
You got to do your car coming. Okay.
Hello, fellow RVers. This is Gary and Sharon with Ruff RV Life. Well, we're in Pennsylvania, pulling in into the RV resort.
Wow.
Apparently, this is a popular swimming destination.
We good here?
We're going to find out.
We are here at Pine Cove Beach Club and RV Resort in Charleroi, Pennsylvania. So this campground is a Good Sam park, and it's super convenient right off of Interstate 70 and only 21 miles south of Pittsburgh. And our site is backed up right here to this catch and release fishing pond. There are two of them on the property. This one is in the RV park area, and the other side backs up to a hill. And then if you have a longer term stay here, there is another park area that's up a hill and by itself. So plenty of room between you and your neighbor. So these sites are gravel, large gravel, so not the little gravel that's going to get caught in your shoes and get tracked in and mess up your slide, but larger gravel, picnic table, fire ring with a grill. There is grass between sites, and you have room between your sites. And don't know if I mentioned full hookups, electric, water, and sewer, free Wi-Fi, cable TV. There is also a laundry facilities and a bathroom facility, and a lot of dog pots around. So we appreciate that. There's a couple of dog pots, but it's not a very big park, so that's all you need. And the cool thing about this park is, on a hot summer day, is right down the hill from here, you go outside the gate, there is a water park. And this water park has an Olympic-sized swimming pool, a Tarzan swing, water slides, a water trampoline, and out-of-water recreation, picnic areas, basketball court, and things like that. So lots to do here with family on a hot summer day, and that's included in your stay here. There's also a restaurant if you get hungry at the water park. The owners are very friendly. We had no trouble booking, and let me tell you, for a private park, these prices are very reasonable. We just passed up a park that wasn't a private park. It's actually a state park, and very rustic sites, and they were wanting to charge $84. No waterfront, no extra amenities. They did have sewer, so we appreciate the good priced parks. And like I said, with Good Sam, you get 10% off. So we make this run quite frequently. We come up to Pennsylvania, we have family here. We're always looking for new parks. So what is your favorite Pennsylvania park? It can be a state park or campground or RV park. Let us know in the comments. Where do you like to stay when you're traveling in Pennsylvania? And if you found value in this video, give us a like and share. Subscribe, of course, so you can be notified of other cool places that we visit and RV tips. We share campground reviews, we share RV life tips, tricks, and some DIY. We have been full-timing for 8 years. We are loving life in our RV. Hope to see you on the road sometime. Safe travels.